Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Google account phone number verification loop. So if you're trying to create a new Google account and it keeps getting stuck on verifying your phone number, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, when you try to create a new Google account using the Gmail app or the Play Store, you might notice that after entering your password and tapping Next, Google suddenly shows a verifying your phone number screen. It says, Google needs to verify your device or phone number for security reasons, but the problem is, you're never actually asked to enter a phone number. When you tap Verify, it just says, this may take a few moments and gets stuck there. Sometimes it loops forever, or it tells you to try again with a different phone number, even though you never entered one. That's exactly what we're fixing right now. Here's what you need to do. Open the YouTube app on your phone. Now tap on your profile icon in the top corner. If you already have an account signed in, tap Switch Account. Next, tap the plus icon on the right to add a new account. This will take you directly to the Google account creation page. From here, just follow the normal steps to create your account like usual. The important part is this. Using the YouTube app method, Google doesn't force phone number verification at this stage, which is what causes that endless loop. So after you enter your password and continue, your account should be created successfully without getting stuck. Once your account is fully set up, you can always add a phone number later for security or recovery if you want. And that's it. There's no official button to skip the verification loop, but this method is the easiest and most reliable workaround to get your Google account created without the frustration. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.